Hi everyone, this is Sarah Ackley here with Tulip. I'm here to show you a new application that is launching in our library this week. It is focused, this particular application is called Material Management, and it's made in this demo specifically for the life sciences application use, but it really can be used for any type of material management application for any kind of industry. So if you're interested in customizing it or making it your own or pulling from it, please reach out to us either via chat or you can message us at support@tulip.co, and we'd be happy to import the application into your instance and work with you to help you get started on it. So just to give you a quick little demo, it's a material management application. So oftentimes, I worked with customers where they just don't have a good status of where parts are in the factory. And maybe someone's asking them about what is the status of this part, and they don't have a good answer to tell them because they don't actually know where it is. So you can use Tulip to help manage your moving parts. These are like physical parts that are moving throughout your factory. Generally, they'd have a barcode on them or some type of indicator of what it is. And so you'd come in here and you'd select a batch. Again, this is catered towards life sciences, but can be used for any industry. So maybe this is an order, maybe this is a part number, any kind of thing. So you'd come in here and you would select your item, and you can see here that this item is currently in encapsulation, and so maybe it's not ready to move yet to packaging, so you're going to go ahead and move it to the storage room. So you'd come in here and you can see that in this terminal it's now been moved to 1761. You can click through and see different locations of the different orders that you have maybe in progress. You also could change this. I've seen a handful of people put this over like a factory or facility map. So that's another way that you could, really use the colors to illuminate where parts are in the factory. But now say we go ahead and we want to move this out of storage, we can come in here and we can move it to packaging easily. And so now we can see the status is updated to packaging for that particular application. If we click the home button, we can see that some logs. So the history record and why Tulip is so important is it's keeping a whole log of every piece of equipment. Every batch or every piece of equipment and each move that it happens, as well as the user that did it and the time that it happened. So, you really could use this to dive deeper into your facility layouts even and start to see like, okay, how many trips are we doing across this? You could extend this even to track the time it takes between each individual move, so you could see how long it was in each of the different states, and really try to use that to make data-driven decisions to streamline different locations or just workflows within your factory. So you also can use it to see a live view of where parts are in real time. So this is looking at all the different stations and which jobs are at each of those locations. And then this would be an analysis over time. So this shows all of the different batches and how many transfers. So, there's a good indicator of ways to reduce waste is like number of touches on a particular part as it moves, from the time it enters the facility to the time that it exits the facility. So these are just examples of ways that you can use Tulip to help manage your materials. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are more than happy to help you.